Alrighty, so this is the first topic in our new unit, linear inequalities. So this is very similar to what we were doing before, which is graphing equations, but now we're just graphing inequalities. So an inequality is that basically an equation that instead of an equal sign, we have these symbols, okay? And this time we're just using two variables instead of one like we had done way back when. So a solution to a linear inequality is all the ordered pairs that make the inequality true. So what does that exactly mean? So like before, how we had graphed a line on a graph, right? This time we are going to shade part of that graph. Any point that is within that shaded region is a solution. So one way that we can do that, if we're given an equation here, is we can plug that point in and see if it is true. So for example here, again, x and y. So I'm going to do 2 times my x minus 3 times my y, and that should be less than 15. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 minus 15 should be less than 15. 4 minus 15 is negative 11. Negative 11 is definitely less than 15, so this one is true. Or this one is a solution. Okay, let's try the same thing here. So again, we're just plugging that into our solution, x and y. So I have 2 times my x minus 3 times my y should be less than 15. 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 3 minus or times negative 7 is positive 21. And that should be less than 15. 21 minus 2 is going to give us 19. 19 is not less than 15. So this is not a solution. All right, let's try this one. Same thing, x and y. 2 times our x minus 3 times our y should be less than 15. 6 plus 12 should be less than 15. 6 plus 12 is going to give me 18, which is not less than 15, so this one is also a no. Let's try 0, 0. 2 times my x minus 3 times my y should be less than 15. That'll be 0 minus 0, so that's 0. 0 is definitely less than 15, so this one is, in fact, a solution. All right, that is all that we are going to work on today. Come back tomorrow for some more goods on how we actually graph.